everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. This is Michelle. So, I have the Natasha Denona MIDI Zendo. Excuse the marks, she gave a lot of marks on the palette. I figured we'd do a look with it. And then I have two palettes for comparison. I'll pop some swatches up so you can look at them. And let's get into this. So, the palette mainly consists of a cool and warm. So these would be your in-between stage for your crease. Into Mindful and try to deepen up the outer corner. These are Sigma brushes I'm using, by the way. No fallout, by the way. Then I'm going to take my shader brush and I'm going to go into Aura, this orange type color right here. I'll put that on my lid. I'm going to go back into balance and try, let's do, but well, that's my look. I'm not the best at makeup, but if you're not the best at makeup, this is what you can expect from the palette. I seem to think that the shadows were easy to work with. If you have this MIDI palette and the MIDI Zendo, they are nothing alike. Probably heard it over and over again, but they are nothing alike, as you can see. And then the other comparison, well, it's warm. It looks like the bronze palette. The tones kind of look like it because they're warm tones. But you can rest assured this palette is not like the bronze palette. Totally different when you look at these. It's totally different when you look at these colors. Completely different color story. So if you think you have the bronze palette and you're like, oh, the Zendo is too much like the bronze, the only thing that's similar, warm tones, that's it. The bronze palette is completely different from the MIDI Zendo. That's it. That's my video. If you like videos like this, consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.